Are you ready to unfold a whole new world? Get started by setting up your new Galaxy Z Fold3. All it takes is a few simple steps. Let's go. First things first, get connected to your Wi-Fi. Just select your network, enter your password, then tap Connect, and we're live. Moving on. Got a backup from an old Android device? Now's your chance to restore it with a tap. You can choose to restore data from your previous phone or set up as new. Next, let's add your Google account. Sign in with your details to access the Play Store and Google Apps. Now, let's set up your security with a fingerprint scan, face recognition, PIN, pattern, or password. Onto your Samsung account, register or sign in, then read and agree to the terms and conditions. Then, select your preferred Google services, and done. If you restored from another device, enter your two-step verification code. And that's it! You're all set up now. Start exploring your Galaxy Z Fold 3 and unfold a world of possibilities.